Good morning everyone. Enjoy learning to this video.
Good day everyone, my name is Erich Pensiona from grade 10 Commitment at ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay about polynomial equation. So, our lesson objectives are first, we will give you polynomial. Of course, bago tayo pumunta sa polynomial equation, mas mahalaga na alam niyo muna kung ano ang polynomial o ma-recall niyo ito. So, first ay illustrating polynomial equations and give you polynomials in general form and to write polynomial equation in general form. Lastly, we will identify the leading term, the leading coefficient, and the degree of the polynomial equation. So the question is, what is a polynomial? A polynomial equation, p of x, is an expression, the form, like a sub n x raised to n plus a sub n minus 1, x raised to n minus 1, plus a sub n minus 2x raised to n minus 2 up to a sub 1 x plus a sub 0. So, where a sub n is not equal to 0, where n is a non-negative integer called the degree of the polynomial, and the coefficient is a sub 0, a sub 1 up to a sub n are real numbers. So, okay? So, where n is a non-negative integer. So, kailangan kapag polynomial, non-negative integer. Ibig sabihin, kailangan positive yung mga exponents. So, hindi dito tinatanggap yung mga negative. So, let's have examples of polynomials. First, 3x to the 4th power minus 2x cubed plus 7x squared plus x minus 15, and as you can see, yung mga exponents or powers ng ating mga terms na given ay po ito mga positive.
The leading term for this given polynomial is 3x to the 4th power. If the leading term is 3x to the 4th power, therefore, the leading coefficient is 3. What about the constant term? So the constant term is usually written at the end of every polynomial, so the constant term is negative 15. So, in constant term, wala siya'y variable and then of the crest, the degree. The polynomial is the highest degree. So, ang ato degree is 4. Next is, what about negative 7x to the 5th power plus 11x to the 4th power minus 2x cubed plus 5x squared plus 9x plus 8. So, yung leading term po natin dito is negative 7x to the 5th power. And the leading coefficient sub nato is negative 7. So, the leading coefficient kay numerical coefficient ng leading term. Next, yung constant term nato is 8. What about the degree? So, the degree is the highest degree among the terms of the given polynomial, and that is 5.
Number 3. 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus square root of 3 plus 20. So, the leading term is 2x cubed. And then, the leading coefficient is 2. What about the constant term? The constant term is 20. And the end degree of polynomial is 3. Number 4. So, number 4, as you can see, yung mga numerical coefficient ng ibang terms natin dito is fraction. So, the leading coefficient, the leading term is the given polynomial is negative 2 over 3x to the power What about the leading coefficient? The leading coefficient is negative 2/3. The constant term is written at the end of every polynomial.
A polynomial equation is an equation if both sides of equation are polynomial expression. Examples of polynomial equation: 2x plus 5 equals 0. So this example of quadratic equation because the highest degree is 1. X squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. So this example of quadratic equation because the highest degree is 2. Exponents of every term of polynomials are non-negative and integers, also variable, and should not be included as radians.
So we have example of non-polynomials. So if we have example of polynomials, we also have example of non-polynomials. Number 1, 3x raised negative 4 plus 2x cubed minus 11x squared plus 10. So, paano po naging non-polynomial? It is because dun sa exponent, negative 4. Again, based on this, sa definition ng polynomial is kailangan po x yung exponent. Power dapat na non-negative integer, so kailangan po lagi pong positive. Number 1 is not a polynomial. Next, number 2. Negative 5x raised to the 4th power plus 8x squared plus 9 squared root of x plus 17. So, number 2 naman po. Para siyang naging non-polynomial. It because dun po sa square root of x. So, kapag square root of x, itra-transform natin siya exponential form and exponential form. Ganito po siya. X raised 1/2. Bawal po fraction, exponent. So, kailangan po non-negative integers po kahit hindi siya negative fractional naman. Yung integers ay kailangan full numbers po siya. Number 3. 4 over x cubed minus 2x squared minus 1 over x plus 6. So, kapag inirate po niya, magiging ganito po siya. 4x raised to negative 3 minus 2x raised to negative 2 minus 1 or minus x raised to negative 1 plus 6. As you can see, yung mga terms natin, yung mga exponents, kapag nire-rate po natin siya, magiging ganito po siya. 2 minus 1 or n minus x raised to negative 1 plus 6. As you can see, yung mga terms natin, exponents nila or power nila, yung mga negative, hindi po pwedeng maging polynomial yung mga yon.